नमस्कार सभी विद्यार्थियों को। आज जो है हम लोग जो है इंग्लिश का नया टॉपिक के बारे में बात करेंगे। पिछले क्लास में जो है हम लोगों ने इज आर एम का प्रयोग सीखा था। तो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस अबाउट वाज एंड वर। ठीक है, वाज एंड देखिए, वाज का अर्थ जो है होता है था या थी, जबकि वेयर का जो होता है थे। दोनों का मीनिंग है। वॉज को हिंदी में हम लोग कहते हैं था अथवा थी, वर को कहते हैं थे। जैसे कि हम लोग ईज के बारे में सुने तो ईज का अर्थ होता है, बताए थे मैं पिछले क्लास में, वी हैव डिस्कस अबाउट दिस। मीन्स ऑल्सो है बट इन द प्लूरल सेंस, एंड ऑल्सो हो एंड एम, दैट इज सी इज आर एम। इट वाज द present status. It was present status. But when we talk about was and were, it shows past status. That means something was in the past, and so today we are going to learn how we can use and where we can use was and were. So see, there are already I have said that there are a rule, there are a structure that must be followed to use these all words. If you don't know how to use and where to use, then the translation will be incorrect. So first of all we will see where to use was. Use of was, okay? See, so it is used when the subject is of first person singular number, okay, singular number, and third person singular number. Okay, that means जब कर्ता प्रथम पुरुष का एक वचन हो और थर्ड पर्सन का एक वचन हो, तब हम लोग जो है was का प्रयोग करते हैं। जैसा कि हम लोग जानते हैं फर्स्ट पर्सन का सिंगुलर नंबर आई होता है एंड थर्ड पर्सन का सिंगुलर नंबर होता है ही, सी, इट or any singular name. Okay, so we must know that was is used with the subject when the subject is of first person singular number and third person singular number. It means it is used with I, he, she, it or any single name. The structure of the translation will be like this: subject plus was plus rest, or in other words we can say here noun, pronoun, adjective, anything can come. Okay, so this is the structure of using was. I am just differentiating both because if I write was and were together, you may not understand very well where to use was and where to use were. So I am just defining the was first of all, where to use was, and with which subject we can use was. So here you must know that the was, the word, the auxiliary verb was is used with I, he, she, it or any singular name. Okay, you must remember this first of all. So example, I can say वह बीमार था, वह बीमार था. So the subject is he, the he will take was, बीमार, ill, he was ill. So likewise we can understand this, the structure of was. Okay, and now we'll understand where to use of where. Okay, it is used when the subject is of first person plural number, first person plural number, okay. Second person both numbers, okay, means singular and plural both. And third person plural number. There are three places where we use word, okay. So for example, the structure of using word is also same, subject plus where, okay, plus rest, whatever comes after where we can put that. For example, वे लोग अमीर थे, okay, वे लोग अमीर थे. So वे लोग, this is third person plural number, they were rich. Okay, this one is the example for using word. So these are two types. There are means we can see was and where shows the past status, and that is we can learn from this structure also. I have defined this was and where in both different types so that you can learn it properly. You should not have any confusion between using was and word. Okay, so I do believe that you will learn at home also. If you have any grammar book, you can translate many Hindi sentences into English. So thank you. Keep watching and keep sharing. Thank you so much.